Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is going to be the last video for a while, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I had to change out a bunch of the fuel line running all the way down to under here because that failed. I had a rupture right about at that point, and then another one a little bit further back at that point. Pretty sure it was because I was just yanking on it to get everything back to where it was after it just kind of sagged. So that's fixed. So Murphy's Law is kicking in when anything and everything that can go wrong will go wrong. Started leaking right here at the fitting, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this off. I'm mounted the fuel pressure regulator. I'm going to get this fixed real fast, and hopefully that's the last of my issues. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Well, here it goes. I changed how the fuel pressure regulator is set up. No more leaking, so everything should work as intended. All right, let's see it. Come on, baby. Oh. So she lives again. Tomorrow morning I'm going to be putting her in storage, and I'll be going away for work for a couple months. So this isn't the end of the channel. When I get back, I am coming out of my corner swinging for the stars. When I am back, I'm shooting for that 10-second quarter mile time with this car. She's gonna have a whole lot of work done when I get back. So until then, I'll catch you on the flip side.